going to take this here, we're back. I'm going to put it right there like this, and then this one's going to go right in there. And if you can see it, it sits right in here like that. Okay, and this sits right on top of that, just like that. Okay, so that's going to sit like that for a moment, because that's going to look a little bit strange, but that's okay. And then the cool thing is I put this on here like this. Okay, and then you're probably wondering how that's going to stay, but don't get ahead of me. Okay, so that's going to be like that. And then I'm going to build, okay, so I'm going to put 2 windows here, like this. Okay, and I need another 1x4. Got it. That's going to go like that, okay. And then this is going to go across like this, right? And then this long piece will go like this, okay? Then we're going to take this piece and we're going to put it right, okay, like that. Okay, hang on. I think I did something wrong. And I did. I need to pull this piece out, because this didn't belong in there. And then I need to put this back on there. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Okay. This part is going to fit right in here. Okay, just like that. And then I'll show you what I did. So I put this piece together like this, and that makes it stable. And on the outside of the fire escape, you can actually see the window in there part, and then this is this little fire thing, and then this one can extend down to let you back up. Okay, so we're going to make this all together for one floor, and then we're going to put this on the actual building over there. So I'll see you in the next video.